So this is what the problem which I have given you yesterday for solving. So many of you have tried, so many of you might have got answer, so many might have got wrong answer, right? So let's see how to solve this. So before going forward, let me tell you about this R1 and R2, when we have to take positive and when we have to take negative. So concentrate and listen carefully.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So see here, now this is a lens, okay, and this is a curved part, so its center of curvature is this side. Listen, this is R1 now, this is R1 for this curved surface, because this is one sphere, we can say. Listen, this is what? One sphere. And so when I am measuring the radius of curvature, I should measure the radius of curvature from here to here, okay, and our light direction is this, right? So this is what? Light direction. So that's why in the direction of light, this distance is R1 is equal to positive. Why? Because it is in the direction of light. In the direction of light. So for any curved part, when you are confusing about this distance taking, whatever the curved surface is there, you have to see where is its center of curvature, and according to that you have to keep the sign for radius of curvature. Is that clear? Understood? Now see here, this is R2, and you see now this is what the sphere is, and for this sphere this is the center of curvature, and this is what? C2. Now in this case, when you are measuring the distance, you are measuring in this direction, hai ki nahi? This is opposite to the direction of light. That's why R2 is negative. Why? Opposite to the direction of light. Opposite to the direction of light. Opposite to direction of light. So distances measured in the direction of light are taken as a positive. Distances measured opposite to direction of light are taken as a negative, and that's why R2 is negative, R1 is positive. Now I think your doubt got cleared. So let's start solving the question. Now here given is what you see. First is R1. R1 is equal to 20. As it is in the direction, I am keeping plus sign. R2 is opposite to the direction of light, and that's why I am keeping minus sign, minus 30 centimeter. Next you have mu2 is equal to mu g, or you can say just mu, that is equal to 3 by 2, and mu1 is equal to mu w, that is water, and this is 4 by 3. Yes, and what we have to find? Focal length when this lens is immersed in a liquid. Now if I will use this formula, because there is no comparative formula, we can't use comparative formula because they did not give us the focal length when lens is placed in air, so no need. So direct I am using 1 by f formula. 1 by fl is equal to mu2 by mu1 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Yes. Now see here, mu2 is what? 3 by 2 divided by mu1 is what? 4 by 3 minus 1 into 1 by 20 minus of 1 by minus 30. So this is going to be, this 3 will come up, this is down. So this is 9 by 8 minus 1 into 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Is that clear? So therefore 9 by 8 minus 1 means what? 9 minus 8 by 8. Therefore 1 by FL is equal to, this is 1 by 8 है ना? आप कर सकते हो, देखो 9 into 1 9 minus 8 divided by 8. So 9 minus 8 by 8 means 1 by 8. Now take LCM for this. How much this is? LCM. Shall I take 60? Yes, can I take 60? If I will take 60 LCM, what I am getting here? 3 na? 3 plus 2, right है क्या? चेक करो. Yes. सही है, चेक करो एक बार. Then you are getting 5 by 480. सही है क्या? Yes, ईशान. And then that implies if I will take reciprocal, I am getting 480 divided by 5. So how much here? So FL is equal to 96 है क्या नहीं? 96 centimeter. Yes, check करो. And this is also plus. है ना? Yes. Is it clear? C1. चेक करो कोई मिस्टेक है. You can check it. Yes. Meher, is this answer correct for you? Yes. Yesterday you said no. Okay. Shall we go to the next page? Everyone understood? Now no confusion, no. In this sign, either it is coming plus or minus. How to means how to take particularly plus and minus. Understood clearly? Yes. Okay. Finished writing? Shall I go to the next page? Okay, right. So let's go to the next topic, that is lens displacement method. What is the next topic? That is lens displacement method. Lens displacement method. This is also called as conjugate foci method. But we are calling it as conjugate foci method. In the lab, we are going to do this. In the lab also, we will do this. Okay. So what we are doing for this method, we are taking one mesh. See here, this is a mesh. Mesh means jali, okay? Mesh is nothing but jali रहता है ऐसे. And now we will take one screen. This white one is nothing but screen. Okay, what is this? Screen. So this is mesh, and here is screen. Now we will take one V-shaped stand like this. And in this V-shaped stand, we will keep lens. You can see this is what I have kept a lens. And here either you keep candle or source of light. So I'm keeping one candle or torch, anything you can keep. Okay. Here is a light source. Either you can keep torch or even a candle. Choice is yours. Okay. Or something like this. Candle. ये जो है लेंस, and now the distance between this mesh to this screen is what? L. What is this distance? Is L. ठीक है, ये जो डिस्टेंस है कहां से कहां तक, मेश से लेके स्क्रीन तक का, ये डिस्टेंस है L. ओके, mesh plate, mesh means jali. We are using this so that whatever image we are getting on the screen, it should be clear. Means this helps us, this mesh helps us to get one perfect position where we are getting dark image, we can say resolution, with high resolution. जैसे पिक्सल रहता है ना टीवी को या तो कुछ कैमरा पे या जो भी है, वैसे आपको अगर परफेक्ट इमेज कौन से पोजीशन पे आ रहा है वो देखने के लिए हम वो मेश यूज करते हैं, जाली। जैसे आपके यहाँ पे घर पे मुझे लगता है, अरे वो जो पानी पूरी में डालते हैं ना, रे टैमरिंड, पानी पूरी खाते हो ना आप लोग, वो जो टैमरिंड का घर में बनाते हैं, देखो टैमरिंड का मालूम है कि आपको, जाली जाली रहता है उसमें से वो टैमरिंड का अलग अलग निकालते हैं, या तो फिर फ्लोर को ऐसे आटा बनाते समय निकालते हैं, देखो वो जाली, that is that type of mesh, but not that in our lab it is there with made up of iron wire, we can say. I hope you understand now. रसम, रसम नहीं रे बाबा, रसम बोले तो वो क्या है रे, रसम बोले तो वो रसम बोले तो, हाँ मस्किटो नेट, यस यस यस। अरे वो रसम बोले तो वो मैं बने रे, अरे रसम बोले तो वो क्या है वो, सांबर की तरह रहता है ना वो नहीं है, पीने का नहीं, वो रसम क्यों आता है, वो हम जाली से निकालते हैं ना वो। हाँ, विंडो का नेट है ना अपने मस्किटोस का, हाँ फिल्टरिंग मेश फॉर कॉफी, यस फिल्टरिंग मेश, यस 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 श्याम, वही वही, हाँ वैसे स्ट्रेनर बोलो उसको। तो विंडोज का नेट हम नहीं यूज करते हैं, विंडोज की तरह रहता है लेकिन ये छोटा रहता है, वेरी स्मॉल, ओके वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज दिस mesh. And why we are using this? So that we will get clear image, because if we will take candle only as a object, then we will not get the perfect position, understand, that's why we are using this mesh. Okay, I hope you understand now. जो भी है, yes 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 yes. Now we are having, see this lens, mesh, screen, and the distance between this mesh and the screen we have kept as a L. And now this position, this from this point to this point, this distance is how much? Small d. This distance is how much? d1 बोलेंगे, ठीक है, d1. Why this position I am taking it as a d1? Because at this position you are getting magnified and clear image. Yes, yes. So this is a d1, and at this point you will get clear and magnified image. So I am denoting this position as a position A. What is this position? Position A. Okay, this is the position A, and this point is O. O for object. ठीक है. Next one, this point I am denoting as a C. ठीक है. हाँ. And now what we have to do? This lens we will go on moving. This we will not move. Don't move this mesh and screen. So we will just move this lens at this A point. We will get clear and magnified image on the screen. This distance we will measure and that we will write as a D1. Okay. Then after that, what I am doing, I am moving again this lens. You can see here, I am moving this lens again to the further position, or I am go on moving this lens to the screen. So I will get another position of this lens. Okay, another position of this lens where I am getting diminished and clear image. And this position I am denoting with a point B. And the distance from this point to this point is I am measuring as how much? D2. What is the distance? D2. Okay, right. So see here, briefly I am writing mesh and screen are separated by distance that is, let us suppose L. Next point, lens is moved toward screen from point O, we can say, towards, lens is moved towards screen from point O. Okay, towards नहीं चाहिए फिर से, from point O at point A, at position A, we can say, at position A will get clear and magnified image. Clear and magnified image. Note down this distance. Note OA, which is equal to D1. Note down this OA distance, that is D1. Next. Again we'll move lens towards screen at position B. At position B will get diminished and clear image. Diminished and clear image. Note this OB, and this is equal to D2. Okay. Now we have to find D. So D is equal to D2 minus D1. And now if we want to find focal length of lens by this method, focal length of lens from this method, that is F is equal to whatever this distance, L square minus D square divided by 4L. Okay, so this formula you will use for finding the focal length by using this conjugate foci method. Is that clear? Where F is focal length, where F is focal length, L is the distance between object, that is mesh and screen, and D is the difference between these two positions. This we will do practically. Okay, so note down fast.
Sir, can you explain third point? Again, we will move lens.
Yes, this third point, you see, from this point A, we will start moving this like this. We will search. We will watch on the screen. Okay, and we will move this side, this lens this side towards screen. Hai na? So at this point, we will get diminished and clear image on the screen, and that distance we will measure as a D2. Understood?
Sir, then that is note plus OB.
Note OB means note down OB ray. Note down OB means measure this distance. If you want, you don't want note, just this you write as a measure. Okay, measure OA with the scale. Now we have to use scale also for measuring these distances. So you can use here
Understood,
word
sir.
measure. Measure OA. Note or measure. Measure OA, that is equal to D1. Here also measure OB. We will do this in when we will do practical now. That time you will understand so much better. So measure this OB, that is D2, and then subtract this D2 minus D1 and substitute in this formula. You will get focal length of that lens. Okay.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes. Yes, finished. Okay. Right. So let's move ahead. Everyone finished? Okay. Now see here one small problem I am giving you. You just try to solve. Even L is equal to 100, T is equal to 20. Find out F. F is equal to how much? Do it yourself. Very easy. Do it fast. First answer is 24. Okay. Next, any other answer? Who will do on the board? Can anyone do it on the board? Now it is 4 minutes. Okay, so 274, 274. करो. हाँ रुको आदित्य, रुको मैं ही करता हूँ, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, रुको 2 मिनट में करता हूँ, तुम रुको. यस, जस्ट 1 मिनट. Here F is equal to L square means 100 into 100. So कितना आएगा 10,000 minus T square कितना होगा 400 divided by 400. तो ये कितना होगा बोलो 10,000 minus 400 कितना है? Yes.
9,600 sir.
9,600 divided by 400. तो ये कितना होगा?
24 sir.
24 centimeter. सही है ना? Everyone got the same? हाँ हाँ यस. हाँ तो ये 400 400 कैंसिल नहीं करना है. चलो चलो जल्दी चलो जल्दी चलो, अपने पास टाइम नहीं है. दूसरा प्रॉब्लम है एक अच्छा वाला, आप सॉल्व करो. आई एम गिविंग वन स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम एज अ होमवर्क, ट्राई टू डू इट, डोंट फॉरगेट. मैं थोड़ा फास्ट लिखूंगा, 3 मिनट 2 मिनट है. A screen is kept at a distance of 1 meter from the object. A screen is kept at 1 meter from the object. A converging lens between the object and the screen. A converging lens. Converging means definitely convex only. A converging lens between the object and the screen. Between object and lens. Object and the screen है ना, not lens. When placed at any one of the two positions, when placed at any of the two positions, any of the two positions which are 60 centimeter apart, which are 60 centimeter apart, forms a sharp image, forms a sharp image of the object on the screen, of object on the screen. Calculate F of length. Calculate F of length. Yes, Manikanta, 16 is the right answer. Do it. Yes.